Alrighty guys, what's going on today? Today I'm going to be talking to you all about the Anker. This is the PowerCore 2100 power bank. Basically a portable USB charger for your iPhone or Android device. It also works on iPads and tablets as well. Pretty much anything in that realm. This thing is great. I have a ton of different USB chargers, portable chargers, kind of quite like this, and I really dig this one for a number of reasons. For starters, it has a really high capacity for charging, which is great. I mean, a lot of the ones that I get, you charge the chargers, you bring them on like trips or something like that, and to, I guess, go back, the reason why I really love this thing so much is I'm constantly on the go, constantly, going out camping in the desert. I love to go up to the mountains a lot and, go hiking, backpacking, all that kind of stuff. And so having a portable charger is pretty essential if I want to be able to keep my phone so I can take photos and, or whatever, that I need to do. I always have my phone on me, especially for emergencies and stuff as well. So it's great to have a portable charger like this. But the problem is with other portable chargers is, the ones that at least that I've had in the past, is that I've charged them, I'll charge them one time to full, and then they'll be able to charge my phone maybe once or twice, which just kind of sucks, With this Anker one specifically is meant to be able to charge your iPhone up to about like 6 times, which is crazy, So if you're going on like a week-long trip, it should be more than enough to get full charges throughout the week, which is awesome. You don't really see a lot of things like that. I mean, obviously you get the size with that, so that is something to consider. It is a bit bulkier than your standard portable charger, which are usually very small, almost like the shape of like a USB stick. So these are big. That being said, it doesn't weigh a whole lot. It's just under a pound. So, it's not going to be anything that's going to really weigh you down if you're carrying it around, even though it might be a little larger than most. It does charge very quickly, which I love. So, you'll get a charge. You could leave your phone plugged in for, maybe like 3 or 4 hours, depending on how new your phone is, how fast that charges, and it should be good to go right after that. Also, the actual Anker itself charges up fast. Usually within like 8 hours, it's pretty much ready to go. That's if it is charging one phone at a time. As you can see, there are 2 different USB ports here. So you can charge 2 devices at once, which is pretty awesome. And then you have your standard USB 2.0 input, or micro USB. So that's what's going to actually charge the device up. So yeah, it's it's cool if you're going, like, I just went on a trip recently with my girlfriend and I, and we both used this to charge up our phones while we were driving, so it was really awesome to have that. It does show you right here, if you press the button on the side, how much charge this has. Really helpful. Some of the other ones that I've used in the past don't have that, and so you kind of just have to guess when the last time you charged it was, but this is nice because it'll show you how much power you actually have left in the charger before you even leave. So it's just a kind of a helpful little thing. As for the actual build of this thing, I love it. It's got almost this like, it's just high quality, kind of like rubberized plastic on the outside. Feels very sturdy. Feels like I could drop it and it would be completely fine. It almost kind of has like, I feel like the material is almost kind of shockproof, which is pretty nice. You're not going to have to worry about, kind of busting this thing up or ruining it or anything like that. It does come complete with a micro USB cable, which is really helpful. It also comes with this little mesh pouch right here. So this is if you want to give it an extra layer of safety, you can use the Anker pouch that is included, and it just slips right in there, basically like a little sock. And you're good to go. But yeah, I would highly recommend this thing if you're looking for a good portable charger. It's just really solid overall. It charges really fast. It charges itself really fast, and you can't really ask for more. So yeah, again, it's the Anker Powercore 2100 high capacity power bank, and yeah, definitely check it out, you guys. Alrighty, take it easy.